Triple drug therapy shows promise for coronavirus patients. Hong Kong researchers from 6 different hospitals reported on May 8 that a combination of 3 antiviral drugs and an immune system booster seemed to improve COVID-19 patients' recovery time. The study, published in the weekly peer-reviewed journal Lancet, detailed the use of 3 drugs already approved for use on other illnesses: interferon beta-1b for multiple sclerosis, ribavirin for hepatitis C, and lopinavir-ritonavir for HIV. The researchers divided 120 patients into 2 treatment groups, one group to be treated with all 3 drugs and the other to be treated with only lopinavir-ritonavir. They then took samples from the patient's noses, back of the throat, saliva, and stool and tested them for the presence of the novel coronavirus. After comparing the samples from the 2 groups, they concluded that patients from the group treated with all 3 drugs tested negative for the novel coronavirus 5 days earlier than patients from the other group. Their symptoms also disappeared much faster than the other group and their hospital stays were shorter. It seems the patients benefited from a drug cocktail rather than just one drug. More studies need to be made into the use of triple combination therapy, but health experts are optimistic about this research, at least cautiously. ABC News reports that health professionals believe that early treatment played a role in the recovery of the patients who took the drug cocktail. Most of the patients in both groups received treatment within 7 days of symptom onset. Aside from the improvement in recovery time, the researchers also found that the drug cocktail caused no significant negative side effects. Patients did experience diarrhea and nausea, but they came from both groups and none of them died. Lopinavir-ritonavir is supposedly to blame for most of the experienced side effects. However successful the study was, it did have several limitations, including its small size and its testing of patients with only mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. There is no proof that triple combination therapy would work on patients with severe cases of COVID-19. The study was also not blinded, which means that everyone knew which patients were being given which drugs. Experts recommend a double-blinded, placebo-controlled study so that the study can also protect against researcher bias.